This is Shree for Just Nailed It, and it is SheModern Saturday. Today I am going to be doing some neon kind of patchwork nails. Gonna put a few water decals on the top of those. So we're just gonna dive in. I have got a white nail. I have put SheModern glue gel on top of it and cured it 30 to 60 seconds depending on your lamp. I have got a Wet n Wild, I think this is like a smudge brush, a smudge eyeliner, whatnot. So I am going to dip in, and in between colors I am wiping the brush off. If you haven't already, whoopsie, please subscribe to my channel. Click the bell and click all, that way you get notified of all future videos. Just kind of knead this into the glue gel. Get me a tad bit of a yellowish orange going on down here at the bottom. Not sure if that's going to show up at all. I'm going to wipe it off. And there you go. There are you some neon patchwork pastel. These are all neon colors by SheModern. You've got the neon orange, blue, yellow, green, and pink, and purple. Gotta throw some purple in there. These are all neon colors, as I said, by SheModern. As you can see, they are very vibrant and beautiful. I probably have enough out here to do at least 3 more nails. You don't need a lot. A little bit goes a long way. We are going to now, because we're going to be using with butter decals. I'm not sure what nails yet I'm putting where, so I know one decal is going here. So that nail's gonna go in. Get the mustache here. I have reached my 1150 subscriber milestone. I want to thank everybody who helps me get there. All my old subscribers who brought new people in. I welcome you new people. I thank the people who helped me, who brought new people. I welcome all the new subscribers where we did sub to sub, or you came here on your own. I'm just so appreciative. I appreciate it so much. If I haven't done the giveaway by now, I will do so as soon as I possibly can. So I'm going to pop these in the lamp. Whoopsie, I think I hit the top of the lamp with the nail. So we're going to put those in, give those a cure. Whoops, we have got our water decals over here off to the side. We got a little bit more there. These have been sitting for quite a while. I mean, they're all swimming in water, but they've been sitting there for quite a while. I just want to make sure they're moistened. I have got my Ice Cube Stamper by Maniology. There's a code for 10% off down in the description box, along with all my other discount codes. Don't forget, for Charlie's, Nailed It 10, all caps, for the Nail Junkie, Chica. It is NaileditQueen. The N and the Q are capitalized, the rest are lowercase. It gives you 20% off your total bill. Check those two out. Those are the ones that I am most active in. I don't know what words to use there. Alrighty. Just roll your stamper over the image. And there we go. Ooh-wee. You get your silicone tool and try to smooth it out if you want, but using the SheModern glue gel, this is kind of useless because it's glue, so wherever you've laid your image, that's where it's going to be. You don't need to smooth it out, you don't need to try to move it. There we go. Now these I'm going to check just in case. Okay, there we go. I think those are super cute. I do, I think those are really cute, kind of fun. Get my palette out of the way. I am now going to put a little bit of bling. Let me get some top coat going. I don't know what kind of bling I want to do. I mean, I have some sitting out here before me. But I mean, as far as the design, I don't know. I don't know. Hadn't thought that far. Last night I wanted to put these water decals over the neon colors. I thought it was really super cute in my head. And I think it worked out beautifully. 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 Now, wish I had some different sizes out, but I don't. I don't. I'm just gonna hurry and put some on here, and I will fix them afterwards. Try to get these evenly spaced out. Yep. Okay, I'm going to give this one a flash cure. Getting a little bit of the wobbles there, putting that one on. Okay, we'll leave that one there. Hope you like this and think it's just as super fun as I do. I thought it was really cute. Really super cute. Super easy to do. Anybody can do this. You can use any sort of pigments. They don't have to be neons. Okay. Put this down here, put the nail back on. We're gonna pop this baby into the lamp. I'm gonna give it a full 60-second cure and we will be right back. Alrighty, we are back and fresh out of the lamp, the cooker, the oven. Here are our nails. They are turned out really, really super cute. Look at that. Let me comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think they're cute as all get out. I really do. So, leave me a comment. Please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the bell. That way you get notified of all future videos and giveaways. Thank you for everyone again for helping me reach my milestone. I got my eyes set on the next one. So let's get going. Have yourselves a blessed day and thank you.